Hello, I've had a question about layers disappearing when you zoom in. I'm trying to recreate this and I'll provide you with the answer. So, let's say this is your shapefile of the comb, and I think the question is when you zoom in it disappears, right? You zoom out and it's there, and that's not a problem, but as soon as you zoom in past a certain point, it disappears. Why is this? Well, the answer is to do with the visibility range. You can see that our current map scale is this black line, and our visible drawing range is beyond that. So if I drag that down over to here, actually it doesn't need to be visible for the entire world, because it will just be too small to see anyway. Let's put it to about there. Then if we pull it all the way down to the bottom, then it will draw it no matter how far zoomed in we are. There we go, so you can still see that, and it'll only disappear now once we get like really far away. You can just about still see it. There we go. I think it's gone now, but it's too small to see anyway. Okay, so the visibility range is important. So check that if your layers are disappearing. Hope that helps. Thanks.